ball. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. Mid-on in place. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. That's hit hard. That's hit for 6. That's a great shot. This field set demands a very tight line and length from the bowler. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a 6? Yes, it has. Mid-off fielder goes to the boundary. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Loose shot and the fielder pulls off a beauty. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Bowler is fired up, looks good to get another scalp. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. He didn't get any timing on that one. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Mid-on goes back to long on. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Batsman losing his concentration there. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Hammered away for four. Good placement. No one at fine leg. Bowler needs to stay away from the pads. In the air. That's dropped. And the ball just slipped through his fingers, and there's nothing he can do about it now. In the air. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. Good shot for a single. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Masterful batting. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. That's gone high. Good shot for a single. That's high in the air. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. He didn't get any timing on that one. Turned away for a single. Now how close is that one? Slight mix-up, but I think he's back in. The umpire thinks otherwise. It'll be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. Batsman losing his concentration there. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Batsman losing his concentration there. Very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Oh, that's a beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Tell you what, the previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Last ball coming up. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. End of the first inning. Won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.